How to export Airtable as CSV. In this video, I'll show you how to export Airtable as CSV. So to get started, open Airtable and then head over into the workspace where you want to export a table into CSV. So once you're inside it, you'll be able to find this. So in here, go ahead and click on Grid View at the top left of your screen. And then under that, you'll be able to find this Download CSV button. So click on that and then make sure to click on OK. And then once you have clicked on that, Airtable would immediately generate the CSV file version of this table for you, and the download will start on your device. So you just need to basically confirm this, and then once the download has started, make sure to wait for it to be downloaded successfully into your device. And then once you have downloaded it, you can go ahead and access it. And that is how you can basically export Airtable as CSV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.